Ditch the dull path. Walk on green. Have you been thinking about laying down boring concrete slabs for your garden path again? How about we shake things up a bit? Let's totally go green. You know, today I'm going to show you 10 plants you can officially walk on without feeling guilty. Not only do they look amazing, but they're also super tough. Whether it's between stepping stones, along a natural path, or around your patio, these plants will transform your garden path into a true experience. So, grab a coffee, sit back, and get ready to listen. It's going to be green, flowery, fragrant, and a little bit wild. Let's go! Thymus serpulum. The fragrant ground hugger. Thymus serpulum, or creeping thyme, is like a spa for your feet. Step on it, and you'll experience a true scent explosion. It stays low, grows wonderfully soft, and feels perfectly at home nestled between stepping stones. Plus, it looks fantastic. A little Mediterranean, a little wild, perfect for anyone who loves a natural look. Bonus, it's low water and loves the sun. So, let it release its fragrance and give your feet a little aroma bath as you pass by. Sagina subulata, the fake moss with real charm. Okay, quick fun fact, so-called Irish moss isn't actually a true moss, but honestly, it looks better than most real mosses. It forms dense, green carpets and conjures up tiny white flower stars in your beds. It's ideal for the gaps between stepping stones or even as a lawn alternative. Yes, you heard that right. A lawn you don't have to mow, and it's a dream to walk on barefoot. It's like moss, but better. Just don't tell the neighbors it's not real moss. Isotoma. Fluviatilis, the blue star creeper, with flower power. Just the name blue star creeper is cute, right? But this little plant really packs a punch. It grows fast, stays nice and low, and brings bright blue mini blooms as if it's dressing up every day. And the best part, it loves when you walk over it. Well, don't stomp, but normal foot traffic is no problem. Between stepping stones, or as a joint filler, this plant is small but a real space filler. Veronica repens. The ground cover with good manners. Veronica isn't just a beautiful name. It's also an elegant addition to the garden. It's flat, well-behaved, pretty, and loves to spread out between your garden slabs. It blooms in delicate colors, is easy to care for, and doesn't get stressed, whether it's in sun or partial shade. And the best part, it doesn't mind being stepped on. In fact, it makes it stronger. So if you're looking for something charming and resilient, Veronica is your plant. Leptinella squalida. The little rebel now, it's getting exotic. Leptinella squalida sounds like an Italian influencer, but looks more like a mini fern with a bronze shimmer. It comes from New Zealand, so it's weather-tested, and its dark color brings a great contrast to your garden path. Especially in modern gardens or rock gardens, it looks truly elegant. And the cool thing, it's super foot traffic resistant. So less of a diva, more chic but as robust as a Land Rover in an evening gown. Ajuga reptans, the blue bloomer with bite now. Here's some power for your paving joints. Ajuga reptans or carpet bugle might sound like a fantasy creature from Lord of the Rings, but it's a real powerhouse. Rich green, vibrant blue flowers, all at ground level. It grows fast, is tough, and transforms small paths into little seas of blooms. Ideal if you want a natural, wild look that's still tidy. The carpet bugle is the garden bodyguard who never complains. Mentha requini. The mint magician, this plant is like an Altoid for your feet. Creeping mint. The name says it all. Step on it, and you'll smell mint. Garden, path, or toothpaste commercial? You decide. It stays super low, loves shade or partial shade, and spreads like a mint party in the bed. The only catch, it doesn't like it to dry. But a little watering, love, never hurts, right? You want mint under your feet and relaxation for your eyes? Let's go. Mazu's reptans. The underestimated star Mazu's reptans is like that friend nobody knows but everyone loves once they meet them. It grows densely, stays flat, and brings tons of tiny purple flowers, ideal for sunny to partially shaded spots. It spreads out beautifully and doesn't complain about light-foot traffic. A true team player for the garden path. Fast, pretty, uncomplicated. That's how we like it. Right? Dehandra repens. The green Zen carpet. This plant is the Mona Lisa of Groundcover. Small, round leaves like coins. Green, shiny, charming. If you're looking for something special that looks a bit more elegant, this is your candidate. It's especially well suited for warm, protected areas. For example, around your lounge or patio. It's barefoot friendly and just looks high quality, like green parquet for the garden. Phila nodiflora, the tropical queen for dry soils. And finally, a real highlight, Phila nodiflora, also known as Turkey tangle fogfruit. Foot traffic resistant, easy to care for, and with small but delicate flowers, this plant brings a touch of vacation to your garden. It feels perfectly happy in the sun and looks absolutely amazing with its delicate tropical vibe. So, grab an espresso, put on your sunglasses, and get ready for your new vacation pathway. The takeaway? So, my green-thumbed friend, there you have them. 10 plants you can legally walk on. Whether you want a wild and romantic, modern, or simply low maintenance, look, there's definitely something for you. Now it's up to you. Do you want boring stone slabs? Or a path that smells, blooms, and is fun? Get in touch with us. We'll help you plan, implement, and dream. Write us, call us, or send a carrier pigeon. The main thing is that together we bring life to your path. And hey, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below. Until next time, and remember, the journey is the destination, and it should definitely be green.